In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the gems in crypto using a simple, low effort method. With so many new cryptos launched every month, it's hard to detect the best ones from the endless scam and low quality projects. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's rewind to the last bull market. Back then, only few cryptocurrencies were launched per month. Fast forward to 2024 and we are seeing thousands of new crypto every month. Most of these are scams or low quality projects, but there are still legitimate projects emerging every month. With so many cryptos, liquidity is spread thin. Imagine there is 1 billion in monthly crypto trades. 90% goes to big players like Bitcoin and Ethereum, leaving only 100 million for other altcoins. If this is spread over 100 projects, each get just 1 million, making it hard for individual projects to pump significantly. To find the gems, you need to understand the key players in the crypto world: founders, venture capitalists, marketers, and retail investors. Founders create projects but need funding, which VCs provide. Marketers then hype the projects, attracting retail investors. As a retail investor, you need to spot good projects before the marketer hype them up. Look for projects backed by top VCs. Here's how you can do it using free tools. Crypto Fundraising Info. Go to the Crypto Fundraising Info website and search for top VCs. Look for names like Hack VC, Polychain, and placeholders. These VCs have a track record of backing successful projects. Look for projects with multiple big name backers. For example, Movement Lab has investments from Polychain, Hack VC, and placeholders indicate strong backing and potential. Check the project's fundamentals. Ensure the project has a solid white paper, a clear roadmap, and a competent team. Visit the project's website and read about their mission and vision. Join the project's community. Engage with the project's community on platforms like Telegram, Discord, or Twitter. A strong and active community can be a good indicator of a project's potential. Monitor social media and new outlets. Stay updated on the latest news and trend in the crypto world. Follow influencers. Subscribe to crypto news websites and participate in relevant forums. By following these steps, you can increase your chance of finding promising crypto projects early. Remember, the key is to do thorough research and stay informed. If you found this video useful, smash that like button, and if you want more crypto insights, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. It really helps the channel, and see you in the next one.